Okay, we're going to be doing a one-point perspective drawing of this, this Z-shape thing over here. I've got a front view and I've got a top view over there. Now the idea is that I'm going to be standing over here, that's called the stationary point, and I'm looking across at this object. There is a line over here called the picture plane. Anything that touches the picture, I can actually draw into my picture, right? Anything that's touching that picture plane, I draw in the picture. So you can see that corner is going to be that line over there. That corner over there is going to be that line over there. That corner over there is going to be that line over there. That hidden detail that you're seeing over there, that is going to be that line over there. Right, so let's have a look at this. I've got these corners. I'm going to drop them down onto my picture. There, there. Just construction lines, very, very light lines. I'm doing them in color, but please, you can do them a lot lighter than this. I just do them in color so that we can see them on this video. There we go, there we go, there we go. And because I can see those corners, I'm going to draw that in dark. I'm going to draw this in dark over there. I'm going to draw that in dark over there. I'm going to draw that in dark over there. And I can draw that line over there, 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 and there. I'm able to draw it in dark straight away. Why? Because each of those corners is physically touching that picture plane, and I know that it's right on the front. The next thing to do is to draw a line going up over here to the horizon line. Now, the horizon line shows you the height of your eyeballs above or below or wherever in relation to this front view of the object. Okay, so my eyeballs at the moment are above my object. On that line over there, I'm going to get what they call a vanishing point. I then take lines going from each of these corners over here, going to that vanishing point. Make sure that you draw exactly to that vanishing point. That is vitally important, otherwise this thing looks really weird at the end. Get those lines going exactly to that vanishing point. And these are also construction lines that I'm doing. I'm doing them in green pencil just so that you can see them, but you can draw them incredibly lightly. Right. Once I've got that, you'll see that I've got an object that looks as though it's got an infinite length. In other words, it just keeps on going and going and going like a road going off into the distance, and it disappears at the horizon line. But I know that my object over here has actually got a particular length. So how do I get that particular length into this drawing? Right, again, I come over here, I say, well, my eyes are above the object, which means that I'm going to be able to see the top view of it. I can then come over here and I say, if I'm flying above the object, I'll be able to see that back corner, and I'm going to drag a line coming down over here to the stationary point. Okay? So you're coming down from that back corner to the stationary point, and it cuts over your picture plane. If it's cutting over that picture plane, I can drop it down into my picture. Happy with that idea? I then say, all right, well, I've got a line that goes from that top corner there to that back corner over there. So I can then draw in a line which goes from that top corner over there to that back corner over there. Right, let's find the next corner along, okay? That corner over there, I'm going to take a line from that back corner down to my stationary point. Going down to the stationary point, it cuts over the picture plane at that point. So I can drop it down into my picture. So there we go. I've got that back corner over there, and I can see that there is a line that joins those two. So I can come over here and I can draw a line going across like that. If you've drawn accurately, you'll find that that line, if it is parallel to that picture plane, this line over here will also be parallel to the picture plane. Okay, and then you can also go, well, there's a line that goes from that corner to that corner. Can you see it? There it is. And then I can go, well, actually, that corner over there doesn't just have one point at the top. There's another point which is further down. You can see it. There it is at the top, coming down. So I've got this line that is coming straight down over here to over there. And then I can go, well, that's cool. I've got a line that is then going to go from that corner to there. And then I can go, well, can I see that corner over there? Yes, definitely I can see that corner from my stationary point. And I'm going to drag that down to the stationary point, cutting over the picture plane over there. And I drop that down into my picture. So I now have that back corner, there it is. And I can then take that across from there to there. And I can draw a line going, well, note it is parallel to the picture plane, so I can draw that line going straight across there. If you've drawn accurately, you'll find that that works. I can then also say, well, that has got a point at the top and a point at the bottom. So there's the point at the top, there's the point at the bottom, and I can drop a line going down there. Once I've got that, link that up over there, and there is our drawing done.